Hot and cold water, with safety lock for hot button. Stainless steel weld tank, prevent from overheating and drain water. Adjustable front leveling legs. Fits standard 3 and 5 gallon bottles. Removable drip tray for easy cleanup. Make sure you drink enough water. This Frigidaire water cooler dispenses both cold and hot water. With 100 watts of cooling power and 420 watts of heating power, your water will always be at just the right temperature. Don't rely on a thermo-electric cooled unit. This water cooler is powered by a robust compressor cooler, making sure your water is always nice and cold. This versatile Frigidaire cooler can hold 3 or 5 gallon bottles. With a clean look, this water cooler would fit in any kitchen, office or dorm. There is also an indicator displaying cooling, heating and power activity. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect size and great price. Hot is very hot and cold is very cold water. Love it. Love this. Perfect size. I didn't want something very big that takes a large corner. This is perfect. The hot water comes out really hot, so warn the younger kids. The great thing about the hot water is that there is a safety button before pouring. The cold water is cold. Now I don't have to put ice in my water. Yay, great price too. Added bonus is that it's energy efficient.